Okay, after installing the update for CTP2, if we open the Visual Studio and launching the Team Web Access, the first thing that we will see is that here there is some notification that some of the features are not available, and if we show the details we can see that this just giving that the web access that we must have the correct license, and this happened because there are a change happen in the CTP2 for the license. So now we have a stakeholders group. Let's this be my first feature for the CTP2. So if you go here and then open the control panel and going to the X and going to the access level, we can see that here we have a stakeholder basic advanced. So now we have new access level which is not existing before. Of course it was limited, but in the stakeholder we can see that in the old one we only have view my work items, but in the stakeholders we can see that we have standard feature, agile board, basic backlog and sprint planning tools, agile portfolio management. So the stakeholders now have minimum of dealing with the backlog, and this is of course a very good news for people that interacting with the TFS and they only having limited access. And if we go to the advanced and I just add my account Brian. Okay, so now we get the feature. Okay, the first thing that now from the query, if we open, let's open the product backlog query, we can see here that if I double click on the work item as a result, as a details result from the query, then I can go back to the query result here from here. So this will return me back to the query result. Another one is the ability to open new window. So now I can open this work item in a new window instead of opening at the same window. This is also a new feature. Another one is the ability to just full screen for the query results. So I can here, for example, if I want to see my query in details, I can see here, and of course I can return to the normal screen, and this is actually also a new feature. Another new feature in CTP2 is the ability to have in the board, in the campaign board, the ability to have up to 999 work item in the first column or the last column. So now we can have many work items in this column. Another one is ability to send email directly from this the work item. The last was only ability during the context menu to just email selected work items, but now we can just click on send email as a work item. So one also of the very good feature is the ability to sometimes when the description like this is and we need to read that, so we can just go here and then just full size the text box for much more readability. These are the features for update for CTP2.